Hey everybody, Dr. JJ Levine with today's Mentorship Minute, and the advice I want to give you today actually includes a new offering. So one of our very most popular products, in fact, the question is sometimes asked, what product can we take from the Essanté Organics catalog of over 100 and something products? What product could we take to build a business if I was to just concentrate on one? And we have quite a few, but one definitely stands out, and that is our Organic Earth Greens. Many people try to copy it, but they don't have what we have, a very, very unique product. It's made from 100% USDA Organic certified green vegetables. One little scoop is going to give you nutritionally, not calorically, 5.5 pounds of organic green vegetables. A serving size is going to cost you about 50 cents US dollars. So what a bargain. I mean, imagine going to a supermarket and getting 5.5 pounds nutritionally of organic green nutrition, how much that's going to cost you. And I shared earlier, about a month or so ago, a new offering that we have, a new delivery system, a new way to share this product. And here's some of the popular ways that we share it. Obviously, we've got it, the Earth Greens capsules, USDA Organic in the capsules. That's one way you can share it or consume it. The ever popular powder, okay, USDA Organic, right there. Same formula, whether it's in the capsule or not. Then we've got the little minis we've had for a while. And then, of course, the new offering that we had, I've mentioned this in a previous video, is the box where you've got 30 sachets, individual sachets, serving sizes, perfect for you to travel with, for you to share, for you to take to a restaurant. And of course, the sachets on the back have an opportunity for you to write your name, your website, your ID number, so you can follow up with people. And speaking about that, what's the best way to share this product besides the sachets? Well, this is our brand new offering. You've seen this before. We've got tear-off pads, and you've seen this for our Be Natural, our Sparkle toothpaste, our Super Reds, Organic Super Reds, and the 26 seconds that shares the problem that most people are using products every day that are loaded with toxic ingredients linked to some horrific diseases. So this is really easy way to share this. You invite somebody to lunch or to coffee, and as you're going out, you bring some of those sachets with you, you bring this tear-off pad with you, and you give them one of them. And literally, you just read the front and back to them. And this is what you're going to have on the front. It's very, very simple. You just read about all of the benefits, some of the ingredients. You've got a message here from yours truly. And then on the back, you've got, just like with the other tear-off pads, you've got testimonials. So this is really, really simple. All you have to do is invite somebody, share one of these with them, show them the front and back, basically read it, give them a sample, and then help them enroll with a wholesale account, a retail account, or even better yet, becoming a brand partner. So I wanted to share this with you. We're gonna have these on sale starting today. And for those of you, there's been many of you that have already started building your business in a very duplicable way by using our Reds tear-off pads, our Be Natural tear-off pads, our Sparkle tear-off pads, and giving out samples for each of these. This joins the family. Very, very easy way for you to share our organic super greens. So as always, I look forward to reading your comments down below and sharing again with you real soon. Bye-bye, everybody.